very important information for everybody. I just moved to Poznan, so whenever you're coming to Poland and would you like to meet me, perhaps from some of my loyal subscribers, you have to look for Poznań city in Poland. You can call me, you can have a coffee or something like that. But yeah, normally I'm coming from northern Poland, but recently I'm gonna stay and live for a while in Poznań. Yo, what's up, by the way? How you doing? I'm going to the old town, which is over there. I just wanted to show you a little bit here. There are like 8 streets going. This one is walking street. The cars are not allowed, and there is the mall. I'm gonna finish there. There's McDonald's, of course. There's some cafe shop. There's another small little street. Then there is another one. It's like old bazaar market. The tram sometimes going. There is the old town. Unfortunately, it's a little bit rainy today. But as you should know me, Damian and Winnie, but now Damian only from the Monkeys, we never give up. We gonna make videos no matter of what. The weather is just another day. Okay, I will see you on the old town. It's still under the construction. Unfortunately, I wanna see how is the progress. Actually, I was mistaken. There is 9 streets in total everywhere, like so many small alleys and the cobblestone roads. Those roads are actually very, very cool. Only in Europe you can find like this one, and normally there are also the trams going here, but recently when I'm filming, not. The guy behind me working with the Christmas tree. Christmas are coming very, very shortly. And this is the old town in Poznan, old market square in Poznan actually. The huge city hall, the old city hall is there. Unfortunately, everywhere there is the construction site because when they start digging here and renovating everything together with the floor, you know, the ground and the bricks and everything, they found out so many interesting historical things underground, which is totally understandable. And you know, it's taking more time because they need to check it out and everything. But it's gonna look very beautiful whenever they finish very soon. There is so many interesting bars and the restaurants everywhere around. But it's winter, so all the tables from the street are taken inside, and you can only enjoy inside because in there it's too cold. And there is also piano, vodki pivo and stuff, and so many small streets going deep inside the town. So many interesting stuff on the walls, so you have to look around, obviously. And that's already the other side of the city hall. I'm gonna show you. Even there is under the renovation, obviously, and everything, still you can find so many people, and also quite a lot of international tourists visiting Poznań. But I believe it's gonna look very, very cool whenever they finish. Probably summer next year. Hopefully, it's just a few months left. The work progress are pretty good. It's weekend, so they're not working today. And yeah, so many restaurants actually. Cool. I will have a look on the other side. Actually, it's cool. And also I would like to notice somehow, if you don't know, Poznań is located in the western Poland, just 3 hours drive from Warsaw and 2.5 hour drive from Berlin. So recently I have a closer going to Berlin than to Warsaw. And normally I'm coming from the northern Poland, but recently living in Poznań. So happy for that. So nice restaurant. That's the Chinese restaurant here actually. Cool. As you can see, a lot of interesting people also walking here on the streets here. And yeah, this is it. Yeah, I know it doesn't look optimistic right now because the construction, but everything here is very cool in general, very beautiful. And just wanted to show you that's the main view of the market square. And whenever they finish, I'm gonna tell you that's gonna be one of the most beautiful cities here in Poland. Well, it is still anyways, but the city hall is a little bit different than the other cities. It's really cool. I will try to make a shot with wider lens, and still a lot of people coming here for having pictures perhaps. Because you cannot say no to this place. Actually, this is the street where people watching, like all of those. I'm gonna pull over somewhere here, and I wanna show you. Looks like this one. It's actually very cool. Little bit different than other cities in Poland. Even what I visited, what I make the videos. Yeah, so cool. It's actually quite busy for cold afternoon.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na.
But I have to say, really a lot of visitors and people coming to see Poznan. Even the situation is like this one, as under the construction and everything. Well, renovations, actually, not really construction, still a lot. But yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful city hall. That's an old town. It's really specific here, very cool indeed. And just behind this one, there's also very interesting, because there are the goats, which is the symbol of Poznan here. Very cool little goat here, which is the symbol of Poznan, which is very cool. Just wanted to show you. The lovely man is keeping them here. Here we go. Also little donation. Hello, little goat. Very cool. Okay, thank you. Very, very, very cool. What am I gonna tell you? There's also a lot of nice restaurants like American, International and everything. Unfortunately, what is the problem with Century right now, and I'm not talking about the construction or anything, is that it is starting to be raining. If it will be snowing, it will be nice, but it's raining and it's like 2-3 degrees, a little bit less. Gonna go to the mall. Last shot from the old town from different perspective, because of course the market squares are square, and then there is also the Christmas market where is the Ferris wheel there. And actually, as you can see, there's a lot of tour groups everywhere around. And at the same time, I would like to say, yes, you will join me soon, so don't worry guys. And I would like to say really thank you so much for everybody who's still watching my videos. Even I know I'm getting less viewers than in Bali and so on, but this is the brand new chapter of my life. And everybody who is watching this till now, and today and tomorrow and another one, I do really appreciate your support as you are with me. Thank you guys.
And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
I'm gonna tell you, some buildings here, they have a really beautiful architecture and very nice level of details whenever they refurbish it. Really, really cool. And they are also apartments, people living in those buildings, while on the ground floor there are shops and the restaurants, obviously cafes. Convenience. Oh, that's a nice golden, not golden, German Shepherd, very popular in Europe in general. And yeah, it's different vibe. What am I gonna tell you? That's for sure. Also nice restaurants here. This is the Wrocławska street. Alright guys, actually the situation has changed slightly. I'm going to hang out to the mall by myself. I need to do something and enjoy a little bit of my afternoon. However, the walking street and the mall and everything I will show you next time on next occasion. Since I'm living in Poznań, I will have a lot of time and videos from this lovely city. But also I'm gonna travel next week. I'm planning to go to Berlin. So perhaps if you're actually living in Berlin, some of my viewers perhaps, and would you like to meet, let me know. I'm not sure when I'm gonna go, but next week. The tram actually is going also. Here we go. Also gonna make one video about the public transport, because as you know, I'm making videos here and moving around using my own car and everything. That's normal. Here we go. That's the tram. I'm going back to the same street where I started today's video, but more videos coming. Also, let me know what would you like to see from Poland. Perhaps maybe you are from Poznan. Would you like to recommend me something to make a video? So let me know, and then I will see you on next video. As always, see ya. Take care, guys. And if you would like to leave some little comment, I would really appreciate as well.